They are conjuring up something wicked here at Conjure Haunted Attraction in Birmingham, Alabama.
Oh my God, there's giant eggs!
This is a brand new haunt to Alabama, and I promise you, you are not gonna wanna miss it. They've got some crazy scenery going on in here. The actors are off the charts. We're here for their special Bleeding Hearts Valentine's Day show, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
All right, you can knock. Whoever wants to go first.
Knock?
And once you knock, you can just kind of make your way in.
Always knock first.
It's polite. Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Oh. I don't know where to go.
Good evening,
No.
distinguished guests. Welcome to Conjure. We hope you enjoy your stay here and hope that it's not too permanent. Do not run.
No running.
Do not touch.
No touching. Oh.
Be safe.
You shan't.
Oh.
Enjoy your stay.
I think it's
Good
letting
luck.
us in. Thank you.
You're gonna need it.
I
We're
feel
gonna
like
need
we
it.
are. Oh my goodness.
Oh my. He's right in the ear.
Oh, this is so pretty.
It's a haunted mansion.
Rose, it's told you I wanted Chuck.
Ooh, I like that.
And did I tell you I wanted Chuck?
Oh.
I'm sorry. Oh, could you please help me hide this body? I think I'm going to get in trouble.
You should not play with that. That's all I gotta say.
Do you have the body?
I'll get back to you.
Trouble.
Oh, it's storming. Uh-oh. Oh God.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
She must have played with the doors. Whoa, and that. Oh God, that don't look good at all. Woo! Oh Jesus. Okay. It's all coming to life. The house is
Whispers.
conjured. Oh my goodness. I cannot help you. No.
What's he doing in the meat locker?
What are they serving?
He's not dead yet.
Oh, we can't.
That's quite a spread.
Oh, I know.
It is.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh my.
You did not Valentine!
Okay, all right, yeah.
Just say yes.
Yes.
There's lots of symbols. Holy crap, there's a... What is that? Oh, no. What have you done? Heck no.
I made sure it's real nice for you. There's a chair if you want to watch it.
Watch it.
Who's watching? I cannot believe that this is only 1 year old. Oh, Lordy. Has anybody noticed that the bodies keep piling up? Oh!
Oh my.
Uh-oh. This is what sin looks like.
Don't touch anything!
Okay.
This is my stuff!
I won't touch it.
Okay, okay, not touching.
Hands
Not
off.
touching. Don't touch it, Vince.
Hands off.
It's got quite a collection in here. I'm not touching in fear of that it'll bite me.
What do you want with my stuff?
Oh my.
Oh,
That
we're
one's
just
alive.
looking. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh my.
So is that.
Oh, I'm waiting for you! Oh God! Do you like the clothes I have? I just want to make you a doll!
No.
You want to be my personal baby doll?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure about that?
I'm pretty sure.
So cute! So cute! Oh yes. You see these baby dolls?
They've gone mad.
You can be just like them.
Oh.
Don't you want to play with me? You want to play right around the rosy?
Oh, no. I'm going to pass.
But it's Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Oh, Lord.
He
Oh,
didn't make
no,
it.
their back's open. Oh, no.
Oh my.
Oh, God.
I like your hair.
Thank you. No, I gotta keep it.
Why not?
Because it keeps me warm.
Oh my.
Oh, my. What's that?
All right, you said something about spiders, Nora.
Okay. No.
Yeah.
Oh, look what's coming.
No. Jesus Christ.
Spiders.
It's so gross. They're touching me. Oh my God, there's giant eggs. Oh my God. This is disgusting. Oh my God. It's a spider on a spider. That's horrible. Oh my God. Tyler, it's gonna eat you. Oh my God. God, it better not
Hang
eat
on,
me.
I gotta
Oh my
get a
God,
shot of
there's
this other
legs
one back
everywhere.
here.
There's legs everywhere. What?
Oh, did you see that one?
No. Oh, what is that?
I think he saw you.
I think he's, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, Jesus.
Oh my. Oh my.
Central sewers. Yeah.
Oh God.
Oh my God, it's eating a rat. Oh.
Oh, there's one up there too, Nora.
Oh Lord, they're mutating into something. Oh my God.
They have, they've definitely
Oh, no.
conjured something in here.
Yeah, they conjured a lot.
They conjured a lot of spiders.
Ooh. Oh my God, I feel like they're still touching
What
me.
lurks within the swamp?
I don't know, but I. Oh God. Uh-oh, you guys. Oh hell. Your
What
pets?
pets?
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's a pet.
Oh shoot.
Oh my.
Oh shoot.
God.
That's a
croc.
big pet.
Big croc.
That's a big. Oh
Oh
God.
my.
Whoa.
That
Reach
sounds
out.
like a zombie.
Oh my.
Holy moly. Hello. Oh God.
Keeping me company.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're here to do.
It's so nice of you. It's such a special day today.
It is. It is.
It gets so lonely down here.
I bet it. And it's dark. What is that? What is that?
Don't
Oh,
worry about that. That's my gift to
your gift? Oh no.
you. I have a gift
Oh.
for
Oh no.
Okay. All right.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah, such a gift. Hi.
Can I have a nibble?
No. They did say
No,
they
no
might.
nibbles.
Oh my God. Oh wow. Uh-oh. This is so big.
Holy cow.
No, I'm going that way.
You're going for me.
Oh God, they both fly.
That way. Or
Or?
that way. That way is reserved.
Okay.
Why would you say yes?
Well, because
Then I can't have my nibbles.
That's why.
No!
You don't need any nibbles.
There I say.
Nibbles is dry.
It's taken.
It's taken? Oh, that's a big one. Oh, angel of death. Oh.
Nope, nope.
No.
Protesting.
Your time has come. Your tome. Oh God. We ended up in the cemetery. There's no escape. No escaping conjure. Oh no. Look at the moon up there.
There's a moon up there. This
Holy
is one
cow.
spooky cemetery now.
Yeah, I love it. It's so foggy. It feels like we're really outside. Oh my.
Oh God.
Oh.
Burning the witch. Oh God.
Oh my.
Hey!
She's mad. Yeah.
Can I have a nibble, please?
No!
Please!
You must like toes. Oh. That strobe line is really trippy.
Can I have a nibble?
Not
Of the thigh?
No.
Why?
We must keep those.
What about the neck?
No, that could
It's too bloody.
make a very big Oh God.
Oh God.
What is that?
Oh my.
Okay, that's what it is.
Welcome to my circus! Are you here to play?
I think so. As long as that doesn't involve dying. Oh,
Ring around the rosy, dodge through the posies. Ashes, ashes, no fall down.
Oh God.
Yeah. What did we do? Did we?
You did it,
Wait a minute. Does ring around the rosy?
I was getting
What's wrong with
summoned.
you?
I was getting summoned, thank you.
Yeah. By ring around the rosy.
I know.
What did we just wake up? Yeah, it was, but I feel like we just woke something up. Maybe. Oh God. Oh God.
Oh my.
That's terrifying. Blood Forest. The Awakening. Uh-oh. What are you doing in there? I might hear banjos.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Is that somebody's doghouse?
Yeah, it's yours.
No.
Are you ready to become one of our trophies?
No.
Look at them.
These trophies are beautiful. You're right.
Come on.
They are beautiful.
So why don't you want to be one?
Because
you be
they're
one?
dead.
No.
They're dead.
Don't tell them that.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, you're not dead. Oh my God, Tyler.
Is it
This
tight
is the
one?
tightest one ever.
Oh God.
She's ready for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Come on through.
Oh God. Oh, Sparkies. He's got Sparky.
No nibble.
All right, guys, well, that was Conjure Haunted Attraction. I told you that they were conjuring some stuff up in there. Let us know what you thought. Absolutely amazing. They only had 5 months to set this place up. Make sure you come down here and check them out. And when you're heading out this way, of course, don't forget your FrankenFuel. It's a brand new energy drink. It's not even in the stores yet. My personal favorite is the sugar-free. It's kind of a candied berry flavor. And I really like that it's got a pretty short ingredient list. Use our code in the description below to get 15% off your order. That's basically going to cover your shipping. It's got enough energy to wake the dead and fuel the living. Well, we're going to a bunch of haunts down here in Alabama while we're at it. I've got the next one linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.